All right, Red, how's that feel?
Oofy.
Better? Good. Now listen, take it easy with that arm. I don't want you getting hurt today.
Uh-huh, okay. So then go.
You're welcome. Just be careful. Oh, hold on a second. I'm getting a call.
Evan, can you hear me?
Hey, Christy, what's up?
I'm here with Aki and Juku. We're at Laser Base 1 in Recyc City, and we just got news that Steely's in town. She's on the outskirts of Recyc City at the digital desert. And guess what she's got?
She's got my vibrocoil.
Ooh, sorry, we haven't been able to track that one down yet. But she does have your cupcake capacitor, and we finally have a chance to get it back.
Sweet, I need that cupcake capacitor for my next project.
But I have some bad news as well. We can see that she's with other smugglers, and it seems pretty dangerous. You're going to need a very sneaky way to get it back. A jetpack will be the best option for this mission.
Christy, you're breaking up. I don't have a jetpack.
Evan, are you there? I can't make out what you're saying. We're losing transmission. Get the jetpack and make it to Laser Base 1 quick.
Christy, you're breaking up. Christy. I gotta get a jetpack. A jetpack.
Miga.
All right, guys, I gotta make a jetpack as quickly as I can. You ready to help me, Red?
Yep,
Sweet. Let's get going.
let's be.
Red, you got those zip ties?
Yep. Eh.
All right, I think we're done. Red, we finished the boosters and we finished the exhaust pipes, but now we should test these before we go any further. But check it out, I've got my handy dandy Bluetooth button that is going to test the engine. So let's fire up engine number 1, here we go. Yeah, oh man, that's looking great. All right, stand back, Red, here goes number 2. Whoa! Oh, hold on, buddy. You okay?
Yep.
Oh man, I am so sorry, Red. You gotta be more careful. But you're all right, right?
No, Josito.
Okay, good. Whew. All right, so we got our jetpack all assembled. Rad, check it out. I even put some gliding wings on our jetpack, and it's attached to a backpack so I can wear it. It's looking pretty cool. I think we're done.
Flashy phone, Miga. Wow.
Oh, Red is right. Yeah, we should Migafy it. Let's make this thing look really cool before we fly.
Jetpack complete.
Red, we completed the jetpack. It's been Migafied. Check it out. Looks pretty cool, right?
Okay.
But there's no time to celebrate because we got to meet up with Christy, Aki, and Juku out in Recyc City. I'm going to open the hatch now.